What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we have right here this this pedal. We have a pedal here. Now there's a sensor inside. I did do a test. The test was inconclusive as to whether or not it was functioning. I'm gonna say maybe it's not. So we did go ahead and grab a new one. We're gonna show you how to disconnect the connector, get this thing swapped out, and we'll see if this shows any improvements. Let's get to it. All right, so here we have the pedal. It's locked in with 3 screws. These are 12 millimeters. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this harness off. The way you get this harness off is you go ahead and you pull from the sides here. Just kind of wedge your finger in there, and once you pull, it will allow you to release the harness upwards, and then the harness comes off. That's simple. So next we're gonna go ahead and try to get these bolts off of here. So I'm using a 12 millimeter deep socket with a wobble extension to get this off. Okay, there is also a little clip that's holding down this harness here, so we'll have to pull that out before we can fully get it out of here. All right, so we'll take our new pedal and we will, first we're gonna get that secured in place. Okay, so you can see we got our 2 screws in there and 1 down here. All right, so we'll take this connector here, we'll plug this back in here to secure it. And then this little guy, will hook him in here. And then we'll put this right back here. So just push here and press down, and we are locked in place. And that's how you replace the accelerator pedal on this Nissan Titan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.